Are you thinking of working from anywhere in the world or finding legit ways to earn abroad without going broke or falling for scams? Hey guys, welcome to Abroad Money Hub, your go-to place for remote job opportunities, relocation through work, scholarships, visa sponsorship jobs, and everything in between. Now, this is our very first video, and today I'm revealing 3 solid paths to make money abroad in 2025, plus how you can relocate through work or study with ease. Now, let's start with remote jobs. Now, these are the jobs that you can do from your home or from anywhere, right? Even while you are preparing to move abroad. Now, when I talk about remote jobs, think about roles like virtual assistant, customer support, online tutors, especially if you are very good in English or maths. And then think about roles like freelance tech or creative work, like, for example, writing, design, social media, coding. Now, there are platforms like Remote, We Work Remotely, and Upwork. Now, these are gold mines if you are consistent. I remember there was a time I got a job on Upwork, and it was actually a customer service role. That was very good, to be honest. It felt like a real job, I had my own time, I had my own schedule, and it was so good. This is one of my experience I've come here to share with you guys. So be consistent, build your profile on Upwork and the rest of the platforms to get you prepared for these jobs. And do you know what the best part is? Some remote companies help their workers relocate abroad after 6 to 12 months of proving themselves. And this is very correct. Now, would you take a remote job that pays less if it helps you relocate abroad later? Let me know in the comments. I would like to know what you think and what your ideas would be if you've got such an offer. Okay, now I'm going to be talking about this part on how you can relocate abroad through work or training. Now, this part number 2 is getting a job with visa sponsorship. You know, a lot of people don't know this, but countries like Germany, Portugal, Canada, and even Malta offer job seeker visas, or even allow you to apply directly for work-based relocation. Now, some of these employers sponsor your visa, especially in healthcare, tech, education, logistics, and even hospitality. As we all know, these are like in demand. Most of these countries need all of these skills. So if you know you are skilled in healthcare, tech, education, logistics, hospitality, please make sure you watch this video till the end. I'll be dropping videos with exact websites and step-by-step guides on how to apply for these roles. So make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on this information. I'll be dropping them every week. Okay, now, the very third part, or the third way to make money abroad, would be combining your study. Okay, so when you combine studying or traveling with earning online or on-site, for example, you're studying and you're working in Hungary or Portugal, you can work part-time legally. In fact, in Portugal, you can even work full-time legally while having your master's degree. Okay, we all know for bachelor's degree, it might be very hectic for you to have a full-time job because you have to work 40 hours per week, right? And that, imagine you're having a bachelor's degree, you cannot do a full-time job because it's not easy. But if you're having a master's degree, if you're coming for a master's degree program abroad and you intend to work full-time, this is very, very possible in Portugal. In Hungary, you can do that for 20 hours, right? This is very possible. It's a third part in which you can make money abroad. Now, secondly, you can also apply for seasonal jobs in countries like Finland or Netherlands. Okay, Finland or Netherlands, or even Portugal. Portugal has seasonal jobs, right? Now, or you can also teach languages that you are very fluent in on platforms like Preply or Cambly while you are abroad. If you are very good, you will make money using these platforms. If you're creative and strategic, you'll never be broke overseas. I'm telling you guys. Now, every week again, I'll be sharing real-time job links, remote work tips, new visa routes, and ways to earn globally so you don't miss out. Now, we are building a community of people who want to earn well, explore new countries, and live freely without being misled or confused. Okay, now, I have another question for you here. Tell me, what's your biggest struggle right now? Like, what is your biggest challenge right now? Are you finding legit remote jobs, or you're finding it hard to get in a visa to move abroad? I want to know in the comments. We never can tell how you will get that help you've been waiting for. So let me know in the comments. Okay, now guys, this is everything I'm going to be talking in this video today. If this video gave you value, please like, comment, and subscribe to Abroad Money Hub. Okay, and share this video to those that you think it would help out, those that will benefit from this video. Please share this to them, and this is a way of also letting YouTube know that this video provides value, and also let YouTube know that this video provides help to people out there. So this is just the beginning, guys. Get ready for job leads, relocation guides, and online money tips that actually work. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.